In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use mixer brushes in Photoshop. We'll start by isolating the subject so the brushwork really stands out. Go to Select and choose Subject. Photoshop will automatically detect the main object in your image. With that selection active, add a layer mask in the Layers panel. This hides the background and keeps your subject visible. If the edges aren't perfect, don't worry. We'll refine the look with the mixer brush in a moment. Before we paint, make sure the layer is ready for pixel editing. Right-click the layer and choose Rasterize Image. Now commit the cutout by applying the mask. Right-click the mask thumbnail and select Apply Layer Mask. You should see your subject on a transparent background. Press Ctrl+J to duplicate the subject. Select this duplicate. This keeps your original safe and gives you flexibility. Now choose the Mixer Brush tool. If you don't see it, it's grouped with the regular brush tool. In the options bar, set it to Dry Heavy Load. Dry keeps the stroke from picking up too much surrounding color, while Heavy Load lays down strong, clean color from your sample, perfect for controlled blending without turning everything muddy. Hold Alt to sample a color directly from the image, then click and drag with short, confident strokes. Follow the natural direction of hair, fabric, or contours for a realistic painterly blend. Keep your brush size appropriate to the detail you're working on. Smaller for edges, larger for broader areas. Add a new layer above this painted layer. Hold Alt and click between the new layer and the subject layer to create a clipping mask. This keeps everything you paint constrained to the subject's silhouette so you never paint outside the edges. Make sure your foreground color is black. This is useful when you want to deepen shadows or add subtle definition with either the mixer brush or the standard brush tool. Keep your opacity modest so you can build tone gradually. Now switch to the regular brush tool and add a new layer over the background layer. Set the foreground color to white. With a soft brush, you can paint in a clean backdrop or brighten areas behind the subject. Because the subject is on top, your background strokes won't affect it, keeping everything neat and controlled. And that's it. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more Photoshop tips and tutorials.